Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today we're diving into a side-by-side comparison of Basecamp and ClickUp, two popular project management platforms used by teams of all sizes. So I'm going to break down their features, their ease of use, pricing, and what kind of teams each one is best for. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your workflow better. So first off, let's take a look at both platforms. So Basecamp is all about simplicity. It offers a clean interface, no nonsense tools, and a flat structure that's easy to understand. It's perfect for teams who don't want to spend hours setting up a tool. They just want to get in, collaborate, and get things done. On the other hand, ClickUp is more of a powerhouse. It's highly customizable and it's packed with features like task dependencies, goals, mind maps, docs, and dashboards. So whether you're managing daily to-dos or complex agile sprints, ClickUp offers the flexibility to scale with your team's needs. Now, let's talk about features. So Basecamp gives you message boards, to-do lists, file sharing, schedules, real-time group chat, and automatic check-ins. It focuses more on team communication than complex task management. It's designed to replace multiple tools like Slack, Trello, and Dropbox by bringing everything into one place. Meanwhile, ClickUp offers everything from basic task lists to advanced project tracking. You get customizable views like lists, boards, calendars, timelines, and Gantt charts. Plus, ClickUp's automatic engine lets you set rules to handle repetitive work. You can create custom fields, assign priorities, and track time, all built into the same interface. It's definitely the more advanced tool when it comes to features. Next up, let's talk about user experience. So Basecamp wins big on simplicity. It's clean, distraction-free, and easy to learn. There's hardly any onboarding needed, but for more structured teams or users looking for granular control, it might feel too basic. ClickUp, on the other hand, can feel a bit overwhelming at first. It has a steeper learning curve, especially if you're not used to managing complex workflows. But once you get the hang of it, the customization possibilities are literally endless. So the layout is modern, and they're constantly rolling out improvements to make it more intuitive. When it comes to integrations, Basecamp is more limited. It connects tools like Zapier, Slack, and a few third-party apps, but it's definitely not as wide-ranging. ClickUp, however, integrates with hundreds of tools, including Google Drive, Zoom, HubSpot, and Microsoft Teams. Plus, it offers a public API and native automation, making a great fit for power users. Now let's talk about pricing. So Basecamp has three plans. You got your free plan, your plus plan, and your pro unlimited. The free plan doesn't cost anything and stays free forever. The plus plan is $15 per user per month. The Pro Unlimited plan is $299 per month if you pay annually. ClickUp, on the other hand, has four plans. You got the free plan, which costs nothing. The unlimited plan is $10 per user per month, while the business plan costs $19 per user per month. The enterprise plan has custom pricing based on your needs. So which one should you go for? Well, if you're looking for a clean, easy-to-use platform that simplifies team communication and task tracking, then Basecamp is a solid choice. But if you need a powerful, feature-rich tool with tons of customization and project tracking options, ClickUp is the better bet, especially for fast-growing or highly structured teams. And that's it for this video. So if you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.